Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Hello.
So if you may not know, I was in Ninh Binh and Sapa recently in Vietnam, and it was such a fun trip. I started my morning in Hanoi with a wonderful breakfast in my hotel, watching the amazing view outside, and then I made my way to Ninh Binh, which is a drive of around 1 hour and 50 minutes, and I have to say it's full of nature there.
Hello everyone, currently in the middle of the mountains. We are in Tràng An and we are going to explore kayaking and also just the mountains and see the whole nature and Ninh Binh. So yeah, let's see how it is. Take my photo. You're looking like a proper tourist, Mom.
Yeah, it's too sunny.
Behind me are the kayaking boats.
Now, just a pre-warning, this kayaking is over 3 hours, sometimes even 4 to 5 hours. And honestly, for me at least, it's a very long time to be out in this humidity and sun. And the prices range from around 400,000 Vietnamese dong for the tickets.
This is Navic people doing.
Thank God we have her to help. Because us ourselves,
This is my original self.
yeah, but you're so bad at it. You're holding it wrong.
I'm bad Navic.
Oh wow! Inside the cave.
Hi.
We're in the hang cave. They've even put lights in the cave for us to see because it's very dark over here. Proper adventure.
You have to be super careful inside these caves because your head could actually bang onto it as the ceilings are very low. Also, this whole area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site amongst karst mountains, which are more than 250 million years old.
Xin chào.
Hi. Hi. We have currently stopped at a Tian temple and we're walking in the jungle. There are jackfruit trees all around us.
Also, the temples here aren't just religious sites, they're also pieces of Vietnamese history. Each one is tied with legends of bravery, loyalty, and the ancient kingdom of Hualu.
We're racing them now. Come on! Let's go, guys! Yeah, beat them! Come on! We're winning, Greece!
After that, we stopped by at Curry King for some Indian food at an Indian restaurant and then made our way to Múa Lotus Pond.
Currently, it is slightly raining and we have come to an entire field of lotus flowers. Wow. Look at the view. As you can see behind me are hundreds of pink and white lotus flowers. It's a whole field of lotuses and it's just full of nature. I think for anyone who really wants to breathe fresh air and want to see a lot of greenery, Ninh Binh is the best place to come to because everywhere you go you see beautiful mountains, beautiful greenery, plants everywhere. Check it out.
And then we drove back to Hanoi and ate some Vietnamese food and bought lots of fruits, Vietnamese fruits.
We're in the night market in Hanoi. I just did shopping. Check out the bow. Come along, you can shop for everything here.
You can get lots of clothes and brand copies for much cheaper prices. Now there's a lot of Sapa content, which is another entire city. It was absolutely gorgeous there, and there were so many different experiences that I want to share about it, but that's gonna come in the next video. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.